Doing this OBE project helped me learn more about GMOs than I ever knew before. At first, I thought genetically modified organisms were just making food last longer. But through this project,
When I first heard about GMOs, I didn't think much about them. But after doing this project, I was surprised by how powerful science can be. It can change genes to improve lives. It made
Modified organisms or GMO was a good learning experience for me. I learned how science and technology can change living things to help solve problems like food storage, crop diseases, or even health issues. While working on the brochure, I understood more about how GMOs are made and how they can help people like making food more nutritious or easier to grow. But I also learned that we need to be careful because some modifications may have risk to health or to the environment. This project helped me see how science is not just something we learn in school, it's something that really affects our lives. As a student, it reminded me to stay curious and responsible about the things we create or support. In the future, I want to use what I learned to help my community and make smart choices that can lead to a better and healthier world for everyone.
While doing this project, I worked closely with my classmates to gather data, choose the 10 GMO, and design the brochure. It was easy to organize everything, but I learned how to manage time and work as a team. We shared tasks and help each other understand the science behind the genetic modification. This project made me realize that the science is just about memorizing terms. It's about applying to real life. GMO affect what we eat, how food produce, and even our life. As a student, this helped me connect classroom lesson to the world around me. In the future, how I hope to be a productive citizen by making informed decisions, supporting sustainable technology, and promoting awareness about science in my community.
What is your opinion about genetically modified organisms or GMOs? Do you think they are helpful or harmful?
For me, GMOs can be helpful, especially when it comes to food. They help make crops grow faster and stronger, and that can help solve hunger problems. But I also think we need to be careful. Some people might get allergies or health problems if we don't study the effects well. So I believe GMOs are good if used the right way and with proper rules and testing.